Welcome. The purpose of this video is so that students will be able to correspond group numbers on the periodic table to the number of valence electrons. Elements in the same group or family have similar properties. When you look at the periodic table, you see groups or families. These are up and down vertical columns. There are 18 columns altogether, and elements in the same group have similar chemical and physical properties. The group number helps you know what the number of valence electrons are. So if it's in group 1, it has 1 valence electron. If it's in group 2, it has 2 valence electrons. Now, when you go to group, you skip this part, and when you go to 13, that's 3 valence electrons, 4 valence electrons for 14, 5 valence electrons for 15, 6 valence electrons for 16, and 7 valence electrons for 17, 8 valence electrons for 18, except helium. Helium only has 2. And what are valence electrons? This is a model that we use. The Bohr model is based on circles, and we put the electrons outside of the nucleus. Inside in the middle would be the nucleus, and then outside would be these electrons. And so the outer electrons are the valence electrons. So in this case, you see it says 6 valence electrons. 6 valence electrons. You know that because you would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They come in pairs. If you look on here, you see the outer electrons of cesium also has 6 valence electrons. 2, 4, 6. It's also in group 16. 6 goes with 16. But if you go to iodine, which is in group 17, you'll see it has 7 valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the electrons that are in the outer circle are the valence electrons. What they are, we say the outermost energy level, and what they are the electrons that will react in the chemical reactions. The furthest shell from the nucleus. They're responsible for bonding. Okay? When you read the periodic table, groups of families, we are going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's what we're going to be using in this class. So we correspond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, even though we skip the middle and just go right to group 13.